The internet is a huge place and it can be overwhelming for someone just starting out in digital marketing. But never fear, I will show you 5 of the best websites for beginner digital marketers. These websites are packed with useful tools, informations and resources, and best of all, they are free. So without wasting any more of our time, let's begin with the video. Number 5, we have JotForm. JotForm is a flexible online form builder that enables you to collect all types of data using fully customized templates. And it caters for both small and large enterprises and can manage anything from simple contact form to receiving money for goods and services. The best aspect is that you don't need to be an expert to use this tool. The work is entirely done for you by their vast template library and straightforward drag and drop editor. You can select from more than 10,000 JotForm templates, which covers all types, and they're all free with your plan. No other form builder gives you as many options as JotForm. JotForm also has a good set of integrations and will make your life easier for you. They offer project management integrations, CRM integrations, cash payments integrations, and a lot more, as you can see on this page. So to create a simple form with your site, you'll need to sign up and then you will land on this current page. Then you click on Create Form to begin the creation process. We will be using a template, so let's just use the first template right here. And with JotForm, it's very easy to use and flexible, so you can easily add and remove elements and also edit them on this page. So for creating forms for your e-commerce or business or for anything else, JotForm has you covered. At number 4, we have ContentDrips. ContentDrips is a micro-content automation platform designed for digital marketers, influencers, and entrepreneurs. It aids the development of the source of micro-content. With this website, your social media never runs out of content. It is the most convenient method of producing everyday content for your personal brand. ContentDrips is a straightforward and clever development tool made for personal branding, and you can use it to easily create bite-sized daily videos, images, seamless carousels, and also create quick videos from text content with only a few clicks. You can also convert your blog content into carousel posts for LinkedIn with ContentDrips. Each and every bit of content is immediately updated with your name, social network handle, images, and therefore every piece of information is created with you in mind. As you can see right here, it's free to get started with, and signing up is also as easy as clicking 2 buttons. Now once you're done signing up, you will land on this page on the dashboard. So when I was testing out this website, I created a poster with one of their templates in the editor, and this is the design, and it took me less than 3 minutes to get accustomed to the interface. So it's very beginner friendly, and I liked that about this website. So now let's move on to the next website. At number 3, we have CAD. CAD is an easy-to-use one-page website builder that you can use to quickly construct any website for your personal and professional use. The convenience of this approach is elevated by a whole new level by its simplicity. You don't need to spend hours figuring out how to make a page. The website has a basic design that meets the user's primary needs rather than cramped up with pointless functionalities. However, if you want to build a whole website, you might consider that this is not an acceptable option. If you code or you're good at programming, then you might find that this builder is a little bit underwhelming. But this is great for non-programmers who just want a single web page. Some people might wonder why someone would require a one-page website. Well, there are a lot of reasons to create a one-page website. For instance, you might want to build a landing page or an opt-in page to gather information like emails to build your email list. And also alternatively, if you're a freelancer looking to display your work online and provide your contact information, all you need in that situation is just a page, and CAD presents you with that option. CAD developed this brilliant concept with the primary goal of enabling total beginners to enter the field of web design, and the builder flawlessly realizes this concept. So what do you think so far about the content? If you're getting value from this video, please do smash the like button because it takes less than a second to just do it. And if you've done it, thank you. And now let's continue with the video. And at number 2, we have Opensourcealternative.to. This is a gem of a website that gives you the best option of open source alternative to any paid tool on the internet. You might be thinking about paying for Zapier or for HubSpot. Well, this website has you covered. You can easily go under the category of automation for open source tools that are alternative to Zapier, and you can start using them immediately. For digital marketers and small businesses with little capitals, this helps you to remove the focus from paying from overly expensive tools now that you can use something that is totally free and similar. Plus, for content creators like myself who mostly create content around tools that has a free forever plan or that are open source, well, I could test and review these open source tools and give you my honest opinion as usual. So if you have a similar channel, then this could be a gold mine for you to create videos or write blogs about. So that's all about Opensourcealternative.to. So if you're going to give any tool on this list a chance, then this is the one you want to give. Lastly, we have Tinywow. The last website we talked about was Opensource.alternative.to, that gives you open source tools and websites that you can use alternatively to a paid tool. Well, Tinywow has more than 200 tools and it allows you to use them all completely for free on their website alone. Now, how amazing is that? This website is a game changer for digital marketers like myself who wants to create most of their content on the same page. It literally says that this website is 100% free and with no pesky registration required. So you don't need to sign up to start using this, and you don't need to pay any sum of money because you're not signing up. For only the loyal supporters, $4 per month would help you unlock ads and capture experience. So that means you would not see any ads on the website or have to run the capture to be able to use any of the tools. And it is not a compulsory fee for you to pay, it just reduces some basic inconvenience. Now let's just start one of their free tools and see how it works, and I'll be going for the AI tool. Now let's give the Content Improver a test drive and with one of my previous scripts to see if it really does what it says. After using it, I'll say it works well even as a writer. So as a digital marketer, you don't want to miss out on Tinywow. Honestly, I found out about this tool when I was researching for this video. So thank you for watching this video from start to finish, and I hope you found something new in this video that has given you a lot of value. And please do hit that like button, and it's a way of pushing this video to more people like you who are in need of videos like this. And please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell if you actually do subscribe to get more updates on my videos. And if you've enjoyed this video, then you're going to enjoy the next video on the 5 best digital marketing tools every marketer and small businesses need. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next